Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, I'm Marlinda Tanyang,
Mhm.
49 years old, and I was born on March 21, 1961
Mhm.
at San Pablo City. Now I'm residing at Santa Veronica, San Pablo City, Laguna, Philippines.
Mhm.
I have 3 children and
You have 3 children. Okay. Applying as a domestic helper is a very big task. You're doing household chores as well, taking care of kids. Can you do that?
yes, ma'am, I can do
Okay.
that.
What will you do if your employer asks you not to take day off for a week or even for a month because they have important things to attend? Is it okay for you?
Yes, it is okay for me because I can save my money without taking day off.
Okay. Please tell us about your work experience.
My work experience, I worked for 4 years in Cyprus,
Cyprus?
taking care of the children, doing
Mhm.
cooking, cleaning,
Okay.
ironing, taking care of the pets, and all the household chores.
Okay. How many person you serve?
There are only 5 in the house, the father, the mother, and the 3 young children.
Okay. Couple and then the 3 kids. How old is the kids?
The youngest is 3 years old, the other one is 10 years old, and the other one is 11 years old.
The eldest is 11 years old. Okay. What about little children? Do you have patience taking care of them?
Yes,
Okay. Can you sing a simple song for little children?
yes, I can sing.
Okay.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Can you please tell us how can you take care of newborn baby?
Yes, I can take care of newborn baby because I have experienced it in my children, of my own children. I will change diaper. I can bath the newborn baby,
Mm-hmm.
feed the new baby.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook, but only Filipino food,
Such as?
such as adobo,
Mhm.
sinigang,
Okay.
like that.
Mm-hmm.
And if my employer will tell me to cook Chinese food, I am willing to learn if my employer will teach me.
Okay. Can you please tell us about your personality?
Yes, I am hardworking because I need job. I am, even though I am at this age, I can work so hard. I can do all the household tasks.
Okay. Do you know what is domestic helper means?
Yes. This
Okay.
domestic helpers means you work in the house and you will do all the household work.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, also taking care of the baby and the children and the elderly.
Okay. Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn this Chinese language?
Yes, I can. I'm willing because it is better that I will learn Cantonese so that it will be very easy to communicate with the people in the house.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I know Hong Kong gives high salary for the domestic helpers, and I need this because I want to earn more money because I want to send my children in college so that they have good future.
Okay. Would you like to say anything else to your prospective employer?
Yes, to my prospective employers, if you will hire me, I can assure you that I can do all the work in the house, and I am very much trustworthy, honest, obedient, and have too much long patience,
Okay.
especially to the children.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract without doing any trouble?
Yes, I promise.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.